This is the piano accompaniment tutorial for Dance Monkey, transposed in the key of E minor. This is considered the easy version. This is middle C. We'll be learning the song in the key of E minor. The following chord progression is used for the entire song: E minor, C major, D major, B minor. For the first chord, E minor, we'll be playing G and B. We'll play that 8 times. For C major, we'll play E and G. We'll play that 8 times as well. For D major, we'll play F sharp and A. For B minor, we'll play D and F sharp. Again, that's E minor, C major, D major, and B minor. For our left hand, we will be playing the root notes E, C, D, and B. And now playing both hands together, E minor, C major, D major, and B minor. Now let's focus on how this chord progression is played. Before we were playing the chords every 8 beats. Now imagine half beats in between those 8 beats. The red font indicates when we play the chord. We start by playing the first chord for the first 8 beats. Instead of playing the next chord on the first beat, we will be playing the next chord in the half beat right after the previous 8th beat. This is what it would sound like. The left hand is also a little bit tricky, but I have indicated in the blue fonts when we play. Now with both hands together, practice this slowly and gradually increase the speed. This chord progression is used in pretty much the entire song, with some variations. We'll go through the variations, but for this pattern, we'll call this pattern 1A, and it is played in choruses 1 and 2. For the intro, the chord progression is played, except B minor is played only 6 times. We'll call this pattern 1B. Now let's cover how the verses are played. We'll start off by playing our basic pattern, pattern 1A. Next we'll play our pattern again, except D and B minor chords will be held down for 8 beats. We'll call this pattern, pattern 1C. Next, we'll play pattern 1A again. Next, we'll play the chord pattern, except B minor is played only once. We'll call this pattern 1D. For the first and second verse, we play pattern 1A, followed by pattern 1C, 1A, and then 1D. For the interlude, we will be playing each chord held down for 8 beats. We'll call this pattern 1E. Afterwards, we will play pattern 1D. Finally, for our third and final chorus, we will be playing pattern 1A twice, followed by pattern 1B, except for 1B, instead of 6 times, we will be playing C sharp minor 4 times. If you'd like to learn the song in its original key, check out the link in the description below.